Today I'm just gonna kind of do a roundup of what I've eaten this week. I haven't done a vlog. I've been extremely busy. I'm getting ready to launch my coaching program. I'm doing the test group now. It'll be open for everyone else in January 1. And I'm actually doing something prior to that with one of my friends, so stay tuned for that. It's just been busy. I'm fixing to graduate the coaching program. Got a lot on my plate right now, so I haven't been vlogging, but I promise I'm gonna show you guys the decorations outside on the porch and the decor in the house and all that stuff. I promise I'm gonna do that too. Give you a farm update. Like, there's all kinds of stuff I gotta do. Anyways, let's talk about what I've eaten this week. First things first, meat bars, okay? Meat bars. So I don't know whether Kelly or a little bit fit girl, I don't know which one of these came up with it first. It wasn't me, okay, I'll tell you that. But several of y'all were like, hey, have you tried the meat bars? What do you think about meat bars? Meat bars, meat bars, meat bars. So went down the meat bar rabbit hole and I tried those this week. There is kind of a learning curve because everybody's air fryer is different, but basically you get a pack of ground beef. It has to be the kind that's like noodled into a container. I'll try to put a picture of what I'm talking about. And then you cut it down the center and then you separate the parts and make them into bars. And I don't want to do like a tutorial on my channel because I want Kelly to do it. So I'm going to try to get her to do a tutorial video. It's really simple. She has a tutorial on her Instagram and her TikTok. So if you follow her over there, you can go see how to do them. But like I said, it's kind of a learning curve and you have to figure out the setting on your air fryer so that it makes it crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. So took a few times and I still don't have it perfected, but this is what it looked like. I tore into it. I put some seasoning salt on top and then I also poured bacon grease over it as well, which I do on most of the things that I eat. I cook it in bacon grease or I put bacon grease on top. It's delicious. So I used Primal Kitchen steak sauce mixed with bacon fat and I poured that over the top along with the seasoning salt and it was delicious and I ate that several times this week. I also had beef short ribs, one meat bar left and one short rib left, so that's probably what I'm having for lunch today. The short ribs were done on a smoker by one of my friends, and if that recipe is up on his blog or his family's blog, it's Melissa's husband. So Melissa's blog, if that's up, I'll post it. Along with, we had regular ribs too. And I don't think I took a picture of that, but that recipe, the dry rub, is phenomenal. It's very similar to the one that I showed in a few videos. It's like almost exactly like mine. She has it written down, you know, in a recipe, so you can head over there and see that dry rub. It's fantastic. It has sweetener in it. You can totally leave the sweetener out, but man, does it make it good with the sweetener in it. I think I use brown swerve and I'm pretty sure she uses brown swerve too. So that dry rub is fantastic. I know it's getting fall, but it ain't really fall here yet. It's still kind of summer. It was 90 yesterday and humid. But you know what? In Tennessee, this is how it's gonna go down. It's gonna go from 90 to 55 like it saw a state trooper, and we're all gonna feel it in our sinus cavities, and it's gonna be an awesome time. So it's probably gonna happen in the next few days, which is fine. Bring on the cold weather. I have so many sweatshirts I wanna be wearing, but you know what I'm wearing? T-shirt. I'm over it. Also, what I've been banging out here the last few weeks, scrambled eggs. Me and Beckett both have been eating the crap out of some scrambled eggs. So I just use bacon fat, scramble my eggs in the bacon fat, and when you put the bacon fat in there and then cook your eggs in it, the eggs kind of absorb the fat, and so you don't waste any. Like, it's all in the eggs. And then I also put butter on top of them, seasoning, salt. I go through phases where I'm like, I don't kind of really want to look at an egg. I'm unimpressed by eggs. And then I go through phases where that's all I want is eggs. So the scrambled egg thing, that's been almost every single day. So it's like scrambled eggs for lunch, meat for dinner. And that's how it's been going around here. So that's basically what I've been eating. And if I have any recipes that I mentioned, they will be in the description for you guys. Oh, no. Also, I have been changing up how I take my electrolytes, right? Okay, so usually I put 1 scoop in my water. But I was thinking, I'm trying to increase my salt, which I think I probably get plenty of salt, but I'm just experimenting. So instead of 1 scoop, I've been putting 2 scoops in my water and drinking that. So instead of 1,000 milligrams, I'm getting 2,000 milligrams per water container. So I've been doing that. And then I've been trying out these babies. These are from Redmond's Relight. So Relight is the electrolytes that I usually use. I use Element too sometimes, but normally I use Relight. I just like them. They have less citric acid, and citric acid seems to like affect my stomach more. So I'll use Element on as like a seasoning, and I'll use Relight as my actual electrolyte. So this one is called Relight Energy Boost. Increased energy, support endurance, promotes hydration. Basically, it's electrolytes, and then it's also got coconut water powder in it, caffeine, Asian ginseng root extract, and maca root extract. And so I've been trying these out on top of my electrolytes. Like I said, it's been a busy month, and it's gonna be a busy holiday season too for me. So who doesn't want a little bit more energy? I mean, I do. So I'm giving these a go. I think you're supposed to take 1 to 2 times daily with water to give you energy levels and a natural lift. This is what they look like. They're just little capsules like that. You take 2 of those. And then they sent me these, but I haven't tried them yet since I'm not working out. I need to be. I'm getting back on the wagon, and I have a new workout plan that I'm doing, so I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys. Muscle recovery, muscle support, improves recovery, and promotes hydration. So what this has in it is an electrolytes again, but then it also has BCAAs and coconut water and turmeric root. And you can look these up on their website. Again, 2 capsules 1 to 2 times daily. No sugar, no additives or anything like that in either one of these. Discount code Neisha will give you a little bit of discount off if you're wanting to try these, especially if you are working out, which I'm working out, but I'm not doing like a focused workout. So I'm doing planks several times a day. I'm doing squats several times a day, but I'm not in the gym or even in my house doing a focused workout, you know. But I need to move more, all right? I do. It's a problem. It's one of those things that I'm just not good at. I have to make myself do it, and I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. My good friend Bronson, he's helping me out. So I'll be talking more about that in the next few weeks. If you want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, because that's what we're going to be talking about. Of course, I'll be showing you what I eat. And also, y'all, the holidays, they're coming up. They're literally around the corner. I have so many recipes I want to try out for you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you watch all the things that are coming up and some big surprises as well. So one more thing. I posted on Facebook a few weeks ago asking about a new coffee maker, because I thought I was gonna get this like fancy espresso cappuccino maker. I was gonna keep mine espresso, but like have this fancier one. Then I talked to some of my friends, and they're like, Neisha, you're never gonna use that. It's too much trouble. You're wasting your money. And I thought, you know what? Y'all are right. I'm not gonna use it. So instead of buying a new coffee maker that I don't know how to use, I replaced my percolator coffee maker. I had a really nice one, and it was in the farmhouse, so it's gone. But I bought this one. This is very similar to the one that I had. I think mine was much bigger than this, but my abuelita, this is how she makes coffee, and we froth the milk and we make cappuccinos whenever we're in San Antonio. And I really love percolator coffee. I can drink this black. I don't even need creamer in it really. So I got me one of these, and I got me some Illy's coffee because I love Illy's coffee. This is what I make in the percolator. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, if you've never had Illy's coffee, you're missing out. So this is the coffee that I make in this coffee maker. I think now, wow, it's, now I have to make some more. And I also got a pour over system. Now this is a learning curve because I've never made this before in my life. I know how to make this. This is fun. This, I'm still working the kinks out because you have to get the grind just right, and you have to have a filter, and you have to slow pour, and you have to time it, and you really need to weigh the grams. Like, I don't make this every day, and I'm still learning. Ken likes it. He says that I make it fine, but it's still a little bit sour, which means it's coming through the grounds too fast. So I'm working on it, but I just thought that was cool. And this was way cheaper to get both of these than to get one of those intense espresso makers. So that's what I ended up getting. Guys, that's kind of just the update, the roundup, and yeah, I probably will vlog next week because Beckett's birthday is next week, and I usually do a little highlight video of his birthday, so that's probably coming up next week. Probably. How many times have I said probably? My brain has been going and going and going. All right, I'm really gonna say bye now, all right? See you in the next one. Love you, mean it. Bye.